Hey guys, hope you all well. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hello. I usually post makeup beauty reviews and tutorials using those products, or just tutorials, or in general positive videos. I feel like there's so much drama going on this year in every possible field that we just need a bit of positivity. So here I am trying to bring you some positivity and be a friend if you need one. Hi. I post a lot actually on my Instagram. If you don't follow me yet, check it out. I post nearly daily, especially on my stories. I definitely post daily. So if you are interested in some positivity and chit chats and so on, check out my Instagram. And if you like makeup beauty related videos and just positivity, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe to my channel for more. This is so important. I feel like I am saying this every time, and I'm sure any other YouTuber, if you watch me, say please press the button to subscribe and press a thumbs up to like this video, because it's so important, you guys, because this is what supports your YouTuber, whoever you're watching, no matter how big or small they are. Okay, so this video, I spoke already before on my Instagram stories. I did actually one video on the YouTube as well about the feather brows. First video I did on my YouTube was me first time ever trying to do a feather brow trend. Ever since, I've been obsessed with that. Today's video, I'm gonna be checking out a brand new brow to me. I really like this brand as it's cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, the ingredients looks amazing. So I have this little package. The brand is called Browly. I got the face spritz, which is suitable for all skin types. So this spray is toner, priming, and fixing spray. That sounds amazing. And then we have in here the actual brow soap. It's not sponsored video, by the way, if you're wondering, although I got this as my PR package. I'm always super honest with you guys if I'm doing, sponsored videos or it's a PR. That's my policy. Let's check out this Browly brow soap. I love the packaging. Look how cute is this pink packaging. Okay, tissue paper, all recyclable, which is amazing. Love this. It looks like a little book, you guys. So we have a brush, which is perfect. We need a brush for brows, especially if we're gonna do soap brows. The packaging, you guys. Love this. This is so cute. Life is better when your brows are on fleek. So we have a mirror in here and then a transparent soap, which is the best because if you're using the brow soap, it might leave like a white residue. Another thing, if you think, oh, why should I invest money and get, a special brow soap product when I can just use a regular soap? It's because with your regular soap might dry out your skin and look extremely flaky. You might even break out because ordinary soap is extremely drying. You don't want this on your face, especially close to your eyes, especially when you have, aircon heating on, the wind, the sun. That might not be good. It might be like, if you try this, you think, oh, it actually works. Why should I invest money? Your skin not gonna be happy about it, trust me. What they say first is to spray a brush with the spray included. Oh, it smells so nice. Brush is wet. Let's take some product on. Starting from brushing my brows upwards. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup yet because if I would wear foundation already, I might, kind of clean it up by brushing brows. So I prefer not to have any makeup on. Plus, always when I do my brows, I do it first by applying any kind of makeup. So the tip that they give to spray a brush rather than spraying directly on a product is actually really good, because if you spray the soap directly, it's kind of too liquidy and the soap is too liquidy, so you need to wait for it to dry. Okay, next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the same brush and I'm just gonna brush my brows into the shape, because obviously I don't want it to be so big. Okay, let's do this brow now. So I'm gonna leave it to dry a little bit and then gonna shape it. So while we're doing this, I can fill in the gaps, because as you see, I do have long brow here, but I have kind of spare brows. I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Brow Pencil in dark brown. one brow is done. It might look like it's a bit too much because I'm not wearing any makeup yet, but once I'm gonna have makeup on, it will look different. But yeah, this like laminated feathered brow look, I'm really into that. I really like it. It looks very natural as well because there's no much product added or anything. Okay, let's do this side. So I'm gonna do exactly the same, quickly gonna fill this in. And my brows are done. As easy and quick as that. What do you guys think of this feathered brow, the laminated brow, feathered brow, whichever way you prefer to call trend? Have you tried this yet? Let me know in the comments down below. Honestly, this is so super quick to do. Alright, I'm gonna quickly apply makeup and then I'll come back to you to show how it looks with makeup on. So see you soon. And that's how the brows looks with the makeup on. I think it doesn't look now as big as it did before, you know, because without makeup it kind of drags all attention on the brows. Although I really like that, because if you do this like feathery laminated brow trend, you know, you want your eyebrows to take attention, plus you kind of don't need makeup. I mean, you have your brows done and it's like, you know what I mean? Like, because attention goes to the brows. And now especially when we need to, you know, wear masks, at least most of the world needs to. I don't know where you're from. Let me know in the comments down below where you're from. You kind of want to drag attention to your, you know, eyes and your brows to, you know, do more makeup on that, because no one sees your lipstick or, you know, your perfect contour or anything like this if you need to be with a mask all the time. So I think this feathery, like, laminated brow trend is really working now. I really love it. I've been obsessed with like feathery laminated brows for a long time now. You see me talking on my Instagram a lot about it and all, and I'll be definitely using this product. This was so easy to use. Love the packaging. It looks like a little book. Super cute. You can even keep it in your bag if you need to kind of top up. Although if you do this in the morning, it's gonna stay all day long. Like, your brows gonna stay all day long without moving, even if you're gonna get in the rain or anything, like sweating, oily skin, brows gonna stay all day long. And this smells so nice. It smells like roses. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You found this helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you tried feathery brows already, if you like it or hated it. Yeah, what's your opinion about it, and what you'd like to see next up on my channel. If you've enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. And I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.